Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video guys, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy X box. Now this is actually curated by Addison Rae. So we're going to see, does she have good taste and was this actually worth the money? So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, but then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I just got done filming the new ColourPop Rock Candy palette. So if you guys want to see how I got that look, make sure you guys head over to the video linked down below because I'll show you guys like how I use this palette. It's already getting freaking dirty. Don't know how that happened. I'm like, where's this black coming from? Because it's on my other palette too. I'm just like, shit. Okay, guys, so if you guys are unaware, Ipsy X is like Boxy Luxe, where it's a high luxury box that retails for, I think it's like 60 bucks every 3 months. But the only difference is that Ipsy X is curated by a celebrity or an influencer, and they pick some of their favorite items to put in this box. Now, typically these boxes have been actually quite good, but I'm always waiting for the other shoe to drop just because you just never know. Like, you just never know. Now, I do get PR from both Ipsy and Boxy, but I do pay for my own Ipsy X because I'm not sent that in PR. So this is my own paid for box. It finally got delivered, even though it shipped on like the 7th. It finally arrived. I forgot what my options were because I remember I got to pick out options, and I remember not being that excited for what I got to pick out. So hopefully I like this box. I don't remember what I picked. We're only given so many options, and of course, all the items we got to choose for were Addison Rae's picks. If you guys don't know, Addison Rae is a huge TikToker, like 80 to 90 million on TikTok, and she also has her own brand called Item Beauty, which is actually curated with Ipsy. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. And see, was this actually worth the buy? Alrighty guys, so as always, Ipsy does throw in a little newspaper about the box, and usually in here it has items about the box as well as like the influencer themselves. Personally, I don't care to read that. I just want to know what my options were and what I chose myself. So let's go ahead and dive in here. She'd love to collaborate with Jennifer Aniston. Girl, you and me both. All right, so the very first thing I see is something from, ooh, this is from Key, although as Corey says, Qua. So this is a Key. This is Hindsight in Black / Smoke. It retails for $65, and it says, thanks to these blacked out oversized square shades, you can block out the sun and your haters in style. Oh my God, do you guys remember that meme? Blocking out the haters. Blocking out the haters. Okay, so here we have the Key glasses. I think these ones I actually picked myself. I used to own really expensive sunglasses, but y'all, I cannot tell you how often I drop my glasses and also lose my glasses. I really love my Oakley glasses, but I lost and broke them. Same thing with my Ray-Bans. So now I just go to Amazon and just get $15 Amazon glasses. And surprisingly enough, those have lasted me for a long time. Maybe it's because my body knows they're cheap, so they're holding on to it. But here are the Key glasses. Blocking out the haters. Blocking out the haters. Guys, don't talk to me. I went to LA, so I'm now too famous to talk to you guys. God, could you fucking imagine if that's how I was like? These are actually super cute. I wonder if they're polarized. I don't know if these are polarized, but these are actually super cute. Not gonna lie, I think I definitely picked these out for myself because I wanted to have a pair of them. I actually do have a pair of, I believe, Key glasses because I have a blue light glasses from them. And I also have the Jacqueline glasses. Shocker. Go figure. Allie has Jacqueline glasses. I know. But they were so cute. They're kind of big for my face though, not gonna lie. But okay. Okay, Miss Addison. I see what you're doing there. Those are cute. All right, next we have something from K18. This is Biomimetic Hair Essence. This is a leave-in molecule repair hair mask. I believe I actually picked this one out for myself as well because I've seen so many people talk about K18. And as someone who does get their hair professionally dyed, I want to make sure they keep my hair as nice and hydrated and as kept in as possible because my hair is not cheap to upkeep. Even though I am a natural blonde, it just isn't cheap. It just isn't cheap to upkeep a blonde. Blondes are stupidly expensive to upkeep, just so you guys know. So I make sure I use the best products when it comes to my hair. So on here, it says that this is $75 and this is most hair masks take time to work their magic. But what But what if you're in a rush? Addison swears by this fast-acting mask. Comb it through shampooed and towel-dried, skipped conditioner hair. Wait 4 minutes before styling, and that's it. No rinsing required. Oh, shit. No rinsing required? What? Hell yeah. Does it smell good? Well, I don't want to waste it because it's $75. I just realized that this is $75 hair mask. What the? Even my Olaplex, which is what I use a lot, is not that expensive. Holy shnikes. That's expensive. Oh my God. I'm going to be walking out like a celeb. Yes. All right, next we have something from Kinship. This is a super melt. This is a vegan jelly lip mask. So this is, okay, so this is a $18 lip mask, and it says that this deeply moisturizing lip treatment has our planet's health in mind. It's made of 50% post-consumed recycled plastic and recyclable paper. Okay, that's amazing. Melt and hydration, gentle exfoliation for plumper, softer lips. So this is how the product looks. Again, I don't know what was curated by Addison, what's curated by me. What's that? See if it even has like a smell. It smells okay. It smells okay. Interesting. I think I've seen this brand over at Sephora. I think I have. Let me see if I can go in my Ipsy email and see if I could find what I actually picked out for myself, so I have like an idea. Okay, so I picked this one out for myself. I picked this out for myself. No, I did not. I did not pick this one out for myself, but this one was picked for me from one of my curated items. So this was one of the items that Addison picked out that was curated in my box. So yeah, those are one of the items that she picked out. The hair mask and the glasses were definitely picked by me. Okay, so next we have this right here. This is called, wow, this is an extra large bombshell volumizer. Okay, so this right here, this is actually Addison's most trusted products. It's something she physically handpicked to put in the boxes. This retails for $26. And it says, bombshell hair like Addison starts with this volumizing foam. A few pumps help to add instant thickness, lift, and fullness that lasts until your next washed. A dream. And she said, it's even perfect for lazy hair days. Just rake it through damp hair and air dry your way through soft, natural body. Girl, if I air dry my way if I air dry my hair, my hair is so frizzy and wavy. I wonder if this has like a smell. Not really. I like when hair care products have like a really nice smell, because whenever someone like hugs you, they're like, oh my God, you smell so good. You're like, I know, but it's like really your hair. So, okay, cool. All right, next there is something from Juvia's Place. Now this is the Nubian Palette. It retails for $20, and it says, meet Addison's Bring Everywhere palette. Each of the super versatile shades can be worn anytime, anywhere. Plus they're long lasting, so you don't need to worry about fading or fallout. So this is one of Addison's, again, picks right in here, and it's his palette. Now, my friend James, if you guys don't know, his name is James Beauty Space. He is obsessed with Juvia's Place, all on his TikToks and on his Instagram lives, which you guys really should go follow him, because he really is amazing. He does wonderful, wonderful works. I'll link his channel down below, but he always is raving about Juvia's Place non-stop. Now, I haven't really tried too much other stuff, because the two palettes I have tried in the past, I just wasn't a fan of. So I haven't really ventured back into the brand that much, but he makes the most beautiful eye looks using these palettes. So here we have the Nubian Palette by Juvia's Place, and this is Addison's like go-to palette. It's just a neutral palette to me. I'm not saying it's bad. I mean, it's just something that's a neutral palette that I'm not really the biggest fan of neutral palettes. You guys know that. But I guess this could be really pretty. So that's cool. Maybe I'll have to try this out. If not, you guys already know where this is going to go. But here is one of her picks right here. All right, next we have something from 111 Skin. This is Cryo Pre-Activated Toning Cleanser. Now, I actually picked this one out for myself because I wasn't given that many good options to choose from. So this, okay, so I'm probably blind, but I cannot find this on this sheet of paper anywhere. I don't know where this is at. So this is love. Oh my God, did I just get like an extra product? So this is a, just a cleanser. 111 Skin. I actually did see this when I was in Sephora in LA. I actually saw a whole section for 111 Skin, and I was actually quite surprised because I know this is a pretty luxurious skincare brand, and I only ever heard of it because of BoxyCharm and Ipsy. So I saw a whole section of it at Sephora, and I was like, oh shit, they weren't lying. This is a really expensive brand. I'm just not used to seeing it anywhere except there, and sometimes at TJ Maxx. So I'm just like, oh shit. Unfortunately, guys, I can't tell you the price on this. Maybe I'll just look it up online because I don't see it on this sheet of paper at all. So I don't know why I have it or why I was given that option. Okay, so this is retails for $70, and this says that this is a 2-in-1 formula, doubles as a daily face wash and a toner to help leave your skin clean, smooth, bright, and balanced in one quick step. Okay, cool. All right, next we have something from MZ Skin. This is one of the items that was curated for me, and this is a hyaluronic brightening eye complex serum. Oh my god. Oh no. You know, maybe if I just start telling the universe, I love eye creams. I love eye creams. Maybe they'll stop giving me eye creams. And if you guys are new here and you guys don't know, there's a running joke that's been going on my channel now for, God, ever since I've been doing ever since I'm on BoxyCharm PR. For the longest time, I have been getting only eye cream products, not like face washes. It was never like cleansers, toners, moisturizers, exfoliators, oils. It was never anything like that. It was always eye cream. So it's been a running joke now for so long that those are the only products that I get. Like ever since I turned 30, those are the only products I ever receive. So the fact that it's in here, I'm just like, you got me, Addison. Okay, so this is an eye cream. Oh, you know what's so funny, guys, is I actually got an email earlier today from a company wanting to send me, let me see if I can find it. Company wanted to partner up with me to have me review collagen eye patches. I was like, no, thank you. But this is called MZ Skin, and on here it says that this retails for $143. What the fuck? I would never in a million years pay $143 on eye cream. Okay, it says late nights and early mornings can wreak havoc on your under eye area, which is why this brightening eye cream is a staple in Addison's busy schedule. It helps to strengthen the skin and capillaries around your eyes to help prevent dark circles and puffiness. Her tip is that it's a can't beat base for under eye concealer. The hydrating ingredients prevent makeup from settling into creases and looking cakey. Okay, well, Miss Addison, not all of us can afford a $140 eye cream. That is just insane. I have never heard of an eye cream being this, and it's so tiny. Oh my god. If this doesn't smell like rich people's skin, I'm gonna get so mad. Okay, well, you know, shit. That is $25 right there on my nose, guys. Damn it. Okay, well, I'm not gonna lie. It actually does smell luxurious. It smells like I'm at a spa. I'm gonna try it out because I've never seen an eye cream be that expensive in my entire life. I wonder if it's really that expensive. Let me just look it up online. I just gotta look. Oh my god. It really is that expensive. Jesus. Oh my god, that's, wow. Okay, universe, I take the signs. I'll use it. I'll use it. That's, wow, that's crazy expensive. Wow, that's insane. All right, and last but not least, we got something from Tula. This is a 24-7 moisturized hydrating day and night cream. So this, every time I say that, I want to break out in the song. So this is love. Okay, so this is a 24/7 moisturized hydrating day and night cream. Retails for $52, and it says your product should multitask as well as Addison does. It's the reason she loves this moisturizer. It can be used as day and night to help deeply hydrate skin and smooth the look of fine lines and rough texture. Thanks. So her tip is give yourself a smoothing and lifting facial massage as you work in this moisturizer. So here we have this moisturizer. Oh my god. It does. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Norwegian ride in Epcot. When you go on the Frozen ride, like the Norwegian section, actually smells pretty good. It smells pretty good, pretty good. So those are all the items that I got. And looking on the email, the box is worth $469. And it says I have excellent taste. So looking on here, she definitely put a lot more makeup items in here than what I received. I received a lot more skin-based products and not necessarily just makeup. I kind of wish I got a little bit more makeup, but it is what it is. Definitely a very unique box. I feel like we definitely were more skincare heavy than we were makeup, so it makes it not my favorite. I like it when I get more variety of makeup products, but she's really focused on the skincare version of this box, or at least that's how it is for me. I don't know how it is for other people, but what I will say is I'm happy I didn't get anything from Item Beauty because that literally is her that literally is her brand, and I didn't get anything from Item Beauty in here, so that's actually kind of nice. But I did see there's like Stila, Pat McGrath Labs, there is Item Beauty, there's Beverly Hills, there's Radial, Benefit, IGK Hair, First Aid Beauty, Aceology can be featured in here. There's also Generation Skin, Act and Arc, Hydra, Attitude, INH Hair, Key Soul Care, Boto Botanics, Lily Lashes. There's like, she focused a lot on skincare this month, and then she did a lot of makeup items. So definitely not my favorite box curated at all, but I wouldn't say it's the worst either, because there's definitely brands in here that I completely recognize, which I do appreciate. And I'm just kind of overwhelmed at the fact that there's an eye cream that's $143. That's just mind-blowing to me. I can't get over that. So definitely not my favorite box. Hopefully the next box, whoever picks it out, will actually curate a lot more makeup items in there. At least that's what I hope for. That's why I buy these subscription boxes, not just to get skincare, but to get a lot of makeup items that I normally wouldn't have gotten in the past. So not my favorite, but definitely well worth what I paid for it, because I wanted that, just that eye cream alone. So, so yeah, guys, that is it for my video today. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys got Ipsy X, please let me know what you guys got in the comments below. I love seeing the different options and variations that people do get. So let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey, and a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hey guys. Hey guys. What's up, and welcome back. Ooh. If you guys, yo, even like my oh my god, what's that brand called? So this is love. So this